Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best allergy test my pet kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner who suspects their furry friend might be suffering from allergies, offering a convenient and accessible way to gain insights into potential triggers right from the comfort of your home. This comprehensive kit aims to demystify the often confusing world of pet sensitivities, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your pet's diet, environment, and overall well-being, ultimately leading to a happier and healthier life for your beloved companion. Number 5. Zesty Paws Allergy Immune Bites. Is your dog suffering from itchy skin and discomfort? Our allergy immune bites are crafted with premium ingredients to support their digestion and immune function, promoting overall well-being. Featuring Epicure Pets, a unique whole food yeast fermentate, these chews help bolster your dog's immune system. This ensures they have healthy responses to environmental factors. With ingredients like colostrum and astragalus root, these bites offer soothing relief for itchy skin. They also help support normal histamine levels for a more comfortable companion. These chews contain beneficial dog probiotics, including Lactobacillus acidophilus. They work to maintain normal gut flora, enhancing digestive health and boosting overall wellness. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, these bites support immune health. They provide essential skin allergy relief benefits while helping to reduce bothersome itching and licking. What we like. This product focuses on digestive and immune support for your pet. It contains probiotics and other beneficial ingredients to help with itchy skin and overall wellness. If you have a dog that suffers from frequent itching or digestive issues, this could be a great option to consider. What people say. After giving my pup one chew a day, 44 pounds, his paws cleared up after less than 2 weeks and have remained that way. They've helped reduce his itching, and overall he just seems more comfortable. It took about 3 weeks to really see a full difference, but I noticed a reduction in her sneezes about a week in. She gets really gooey eye boogers that stick to her fur between her nose and eyes. These have disappeared. Her fur is softer and shinier, she scoots and flaps her ears a lot less, and she hardly sneezes. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness with personalized reports. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions, helping you make informed decisions for your future family. Our easy saliva collection kit requires no blood or needles. Simply spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with enhanced security measures. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey and explore your unique genetic makeup. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive look at your genetic health and ancestry. It provides over 100 personalized insights, including FDA-authorized reports on health predispositions and carrier status. If you are looking to proactively manage your health and explore your family origins, this is the test for you. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. The estimated time of completion once received and the sample passed screening was 6 to 8 weeks. The reports were complete on the 8th of December. That's 14 days from clicking the purchase button to receiving the results, or 1 day over a week from passing inspection. 23andMe found 1175 people that are related to me. My relatives on 23andMe are all 10th degree relations, so the most closely related person is about a 4th cousin with less than 0.4% shared DNA. Number 3. Embark Breed Identification Kit. Discover your dog's unique heritage with the most accurate DNA test available. We provide a detailed breakdown of their breed ancestry, going back generations. Our advanced technology, developed with Cornell University, ensures a 99% accurate breed identification. Understand every part of your dog's background with confidence. Connect with your dog's family. Our groundbreaking relative finder helps you discover cousins and even direct family members, with over 90% of dogs finding a close relative. Uncover your dog's ancestral journey, tracing their breed mix back to great-grandparents. Learn about the paths their distant ancestors took across the globe. Go beyond breed. Explore which of your dog's traits are tied to their ancestry and which make them uniquely themselves with our new personality quiz. Get reliable results in 2 to 4 weeks with support from our expert vets and geneticists. We keep you informed throughout the entire process. What we like. This is the most accurate dog DNA test for breed identification, screening over 400 breeds. It also offers a unique relative finder to connect with your dog's family. If you're curious about your mixed breed dog's ancestry and want to discover their relatives, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit is easy to use and provides clear instructions. The results were delivered quickly and were easy to understand. I was impressed with the accuracy of the test results. Number 2. Embark Breed and Health Kit. Discover your dog's breed, ancestry, and genetic health with our comprehensive DNA testing kit. Get actionable insights to provide the best possible care for your beloved companion. Our research-grade genotyping platform, developed with Cornell University, provides the most accurate breed breakdown available. Learn about over 400 breeds, including wild canids. Test for over 270 genetic health conditions and receive personalized insights. This knowledge empowers you to work with your vet for early intervention and a tailored care plan. Explore 55 physical traits, from size and coat type to grooming needs. Knowing these characteristics in advance makes you a more informed and prepared pet owner. Find out your dog's risk for 4 common allergy types. We provide personalized insights and expert tips from veterinarians to help manage or prevent allergies. Delve into your pup's instincts and discover which are rooted in their breed mix and which are uniquely theirs. Utilize our patented canine relative finder to connect with your dog's family members. Join nearly 1 million happy reunions facilitated by our technology. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides insights into over 270 genetic health conditions and unique allergy risk scores for your dog. It also details physical traits and ancestry. If you want to proactively manage your dog's health, understand their potential allergy risks, and learn about their traits, this is the most suitable option. What people say. The kit is easy to use and provides clear instructions. The results were delivered quickly and were easy to understand. The test identified several allergens that my pet was sensitive to, which has helped in managing their diet. Number 1. UCARI Pet Sensitivity Test for Cats and Dogs. Uncover potential intolerances for your beloved cat or dog. Our test screens for over 1,000 substances, offering a broad wellness panel. Gain insights into their daily habits and environment. This helps guide informed feeding and lifestyle decisions for their well-being. Collecting a hair sample is simple and painless. Just register online, collect the sample, and mail it to our lab. Receive clear, easy-to-read digital results within 48 hours. Understand how their diet may relate to their overall well-being. Developed with veterinary input, this is a non-invasive and affordable at-home testing solution. No vet visits or needles required. Move from uncertainty to making informed decisions about their health. Get the answers you need conveniently from home. What we like. This test screens for over 1,000 substances, including food and environmental factors, using a painless hair sample. It delivers digital results within 48 hours. If you're looking for quick, broad insights into your pet's potential sensitivities and prefer a non-invasive testing method, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Quick and easy to use. Help when figuring out what food to use. The instructions are clear, sample collection takes only a few minutes, and the online results dashboard is simple to navigate. The report breaks down sensitivity in a way that feels practical rather than overwhelming. Results were fast and very thorough. It's nice to be given a guide and know where to start. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.